Hi friends, Ishna here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to talk about few products because this is the first haul that I will be sharing in my channel. So this is a mini haul but based on the ongoing Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. So if hauls are your interest area and if you're interested in Nykaa, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a big fat like and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel as well and ring the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified for all my future updates. So without rambling on further, let's start. Now I have been shopping with Nykaa for quite a long time and it gives me immense pleasure to share this haul because it is during this haul I try to grab most of the products that I use or I want to try because you can save a lot of money during these discounted offers. After all, this is the best time to shop from Nykaa. So I don't have a lot of products to talk about. I wanted to try out 5 products and precisely I got those on discount. And these are the ones that I'll be talking about. So the first product that I want to talk about is this lipstick. It is from Nykaa's Luxe Matte lipstick range and the shade that I have with me is called Staycation. This is the outside packaging which clearly is color coded. All their packagings are color coded so you can easily identify which color you want or you have in your collection, because if you have multiple you can then sift through the packaging itself to identify which color you want to use. And the inside looks something like this. Now the packaging is very luxurious. If you see, it's color coded, it has got magnetic lid and the shade name is mentioned here, and this is how the bullet looks like. This is a dusty pink color and it will suit more or less all skin types. I'm currently wearing this on my lips today. It has a very comfortable matte formula. It will not dry out your lips. It's very easy to use. It glides on your lips like butter. I'll quickly give you a hand swatch of how this looks. And this is how it looks like on the hand swatch. Now this is quite a universally flattering shade. It will look good on all skin types, especially Indian skin type. You get a great color payoff in one stroke application only. It's pigment rich and it's very hydrating. It will not dry out your lips. It has a lightweight formula and it looks really nice. So this one retails for rupees 799. It's a luxe lipstick so it is a bit expensive, but on this sale I could grab it at a 20% discount and I paid rupees 639 precisely for this one. So it's a great deal for a luxe lipstick. So moving on to the next one, I'll talk about this liquid lipstick. This is a mini version of the Matte to Last range and this is in the shade Mishti. And if you're aware, Nykaa launched a series of lipstick based on cities and Mishti is based on Kolkata, which is my city. So it was time I got hands on this one. Now this is how cute the packaging looks like. It's a proper bright red. Now this is what the swatch looks like. It's a proper red color. It's quite lightweight and very comfortable to wear on the lips. It will not dry you out and it's transfer proof as well. I wanted to lay my hands on this one and it was this sale that was the right time to grab on to this. Now if you're looking at the full sized versions, those are available at 599 and on discount you will get a bit lesser. And if you're looking at the minis that I have, it retails at 239 and on discount I got something around 203. Moving on to the third lipstick and the last lipstick of this haul, I'm going to talk about from the Masaba range, and then this is in the shade Neemu Pani. Now this is considered the best seller from this range because this one is a collaboration done with Masaba and this is a great and popular lipstick which I wanted to lay my hands for quite a long time. The outside packaging looks like this and the inside looks like this. It has got the same print and it's quite beautiful. And when you pull out the lid you get to see this beautiful bullet. It's a proper nude. In the lighting it might look like a red, but this is properly a nude color and it is such a nude that it will flatter every Indian skin tone. Everybody can wear it. It's a brownish proper nude. See, this is the swatch for this one. Now this has a creamy matte texture, it glides on your lips, it will not dry you out. They are very comfortable to wear, they will not give your lips a hard time, and it's quite good. I will not say it is transfer proof because it is creamy matte, but it is quite good. So this one retails at rupees 599, but on discount I got a 20% discount and I could grab it at rupees 479. It's quite a win-win situation if you want to try out various lipsticks during this sale. The fourth product that I want to talk about is the K Beauty Kajal. Now, people who are not aware, Katrina had a joint venture with Nykaa, and they came out with a different range of cosmetics, and the K Beauty Kajal belongs to that one. So I wanted to give this one a try. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, and the inner packaging is this sleek kajal. So the best part about this kajal is that it's a twist up kajal. You can see you twist it up and the product comes out. You don't have to go into the hassle of sharpening this at all. It's easy to carry around. You don't have to carry a sharpener with it as well, and it's quite smudge proof. It's quite pitch black. Today I have applied this on my lids and it's quite dark. You can see it has a great pigmentation. In one stroke you get this jet black color. Overall quite good. It is a waterproof kajal and it claims to stay on your eyelids for 24 hours, but I'm not expecting that much. But nonetheless, it's quite good. It's easy to work with. It glides on your lids like anything. You don't have to tug and pull with this. It's overall a great product and I'm quite happy with this purchase. It is enriched with chamomile and ceramide, which keeps your eyes nourished and refreshed. So this super pigmented kajal retails at 249, which is not a great expensive rate for any kajal, but on discount you can save some more money, as I got this at 199. Got it on a 20% discount or something like that. So quite happy with this one. And finally, I wanted to try out a deodorant, one of the variants from Nivea. Everybody must have used it sometime or the other. For me, this is the first time. And I'm talking about the Nivea Deodorizer in the Fresh and Petal Care range. So the outer packaging looks something like this, and the inner packaging looks something like this. This deodorant comes in a 120 ml bottle, and which is quite a decent amount for you, because mostly this is for odor control and keeping you fresh throughout the day. It has a jasmine-like scent, which is quite cooling, which is quite nice. Provided you like jasmine. If you don't, I don't think you will enjoy this. And it has got pro vitamin B5, which nourishes your skin and hydrates it as well. So you apply this and it's supposed to keep the odor of your body away for a long time, which is quite good. You're supposed to apply this from at least 10 to 15 centimeters away from your underarm, so that your skin is not harmed in any way. So I'm very much looking forward to try this product. So that's it for today. These are the 5 products that I have purchased in this Hot Pink sale. Don't forget, the sale is live till today, which is 27th. You can make the most of it by buying products from Nykaa. If you want to try any of these products, I will leave the links of these products in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. You can click the title of the video and your description box will open. You can check it and then decide whether you want to purchase it or not. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give this video a like, share it with your friends, comment, and also let me know in the comment section what products have you purchased during this Hot Pink sale, and subscribe to my channel, and stay happy, stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.